Alright everybody, welcome back to Aloft, and I have not done much else besides just run back through that cave. So, let's see what else is left on this island. It sounds like I got another storm rolling in. Really not seeing much here. There's another goat. Or sheep, I mean. Yeah. I'm sure I will get a bunch of hate for mixing those up. Oh, it just came out of that one. Yeah, I'm not seeing much here. Yeah, I've been down here. Really not seeing anything. Well, let's check here. Nada. Alright, I suppose let's head back home. Oh, uh-oh. Not good, not good. Crash landing! Can I make it back to my home island? I'm not sure if I can. Uh-oh. Well, it's worth a try. Whew, made it. Let's get rid of this storm. Alright. Let's throw these sheep in the pen. See if I'm getting too many. Hello, little guys. Stick you with the bigger ones. Come here. There we go. Probably need to check you guys' food levels, but for now, not so much. There we go. Oh, what is... Do I have an overcrowding thing? Nope, not yet. That's fantastic. So, I do... Oh. Just realized I'd put out my food things again. Are these done yet? No, they're not. Alright, they're probably most of the way done and then got hit by the storm, of course. Alright, next island. Let's go ahead and hit this one right there. And while I'm here, let's go sharpening on a few of my things. Sword, most definitely. Pickaxe, obviously. Oh, why not? Let's go with the axe too. It's also... Is the coating... How's the coating look on that axe? It's almost gone. I can go a little bit longer. Yep, that's a corrupted island. Let's, Nice. Let's go ahead and use a regular one. And... corn on the cob. Got a lot of extra from that. We'll have to hit all the corrupted islands real fast. I see a key. Oop, yeah, I got swatted. I'm standing in midair. I got a light rainstorm. I got myself a key. A useless anchor. Got another Atlas stone. I don't think those work anymore. I think I learned where the location of everything is already. Nice. I didn't get extra... Ooh. Oh, I need to gather stuff besides mining, I think. Like gathering crops and wood. I think that's what it's talking about. Well, maybe it's a chance. I think that's everything on this island. Looks golden to me. Let's head to the next combat island. Just so I can use up all the good stuff. This has been the biggest battle I've had so far. They're just throwing a lot of these guys at me. Nice. How does this island look? No extra critters. Looks golden. Ooh, I hear that. Oh, another Atlas stone. Slow turn. Hello. So that'd be a noisy one. I'm gonna snag you. Not really seeing anything extra. Oh, that was nice. I'm sure it shows itself primarily when you're gathering resources, like plants and stuff. Ooh, I see another combat island. Don't mind if I do. Skipping a bunch of stuff. Ooh, these are right next to each other. My sword lose its sharpness already? Granted, I wouldn't be surprised if it did. I was fighting a good clutch of them last time. I still find that funny, getting these guys to hit each other. Dead. Haven't seen any of the flyers recently. That's concerning. I know I saw something with a oversized melee guy, and I'm hoping that I see some of those, but I think those in the next area. So, as in I need the flax thing. Here comes another storm. Ooh, this is a nice size island too. And I see that X. Saw some eggs or something. Let's see. No extra critters. Oh, cave. Oh, the effects wore off already. Alright, where's my torch? My inventory is getting a smidge on the full side as it is. That's a bit obvious. Nope. Okay. That's a bit obvious too. Alright, everybody, I'm actually going to have to call it here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And, yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!